This video is featured by my dog Johnny. Say hi Johnny. Hi Johnny. Welcome back everybody to my brand new cryptocurrency video. My name is Cryptomania. I have been passionate crypto enthusiast for about 2 years and have earned over $10,000 with pre-sales like this. Thanks also for watching today's video. Now before we get started guys, if you are new to my channel, make sure that you always hit the subscribe button and the notification bell down below so you don't miss any of my daily uploads. Let me also know your thoughts down below in the comment section, and I of course do my best to answer every one of you. And now let's get right into it guys. I have prepared a checklist where I take the coin under the light so that you can better decide at the end whether you enter the project or not. Today I have chosen this project. I think this is one of the best designs, websites anywhere I saw before. In general, not only crypto but for all websites. This is one of the best websites I have ever saw. Normally this website has also music, but because I have played the music already, now it's no longer have the music on. No, my sound is on. The music was also very cool, but now it's no longer played the music. But as you see, it's a really cool trailer. It's not animation, but it's a really cool trailer, and it goes when I start to scroll, then something happens. Let's come to the next scene. Now comes the next video. Let's wait for it. There will come something cool. Now you see the bear. The bear. Bear's very cool. Okay, I scroll down. With the music it was much cooler to see, but I don't know how to activate it again. Here this icon, this widget, I cannot click on it. Here's this is just an image. Here they make really high quality NFTs. I think so. I scroll down. Yes, I think this this all has a really nice concept. I don't really know all about it now, what they really want to do with this, but it looks like it's a whole story and whole universe of these bears, and I think he will make really cool NFTs and 3D like metaverse rooms. As you see here, they have so much content here. I think these are professional video designer or professional animation designer. It's really cool website. one more trailer. I scroll down. Just art. Here you see the beer. I think this will be the NFTs. It's really cool. The career, work on the revolution. Meet the hustle. Yes, as you see, crypto is not all about money, it's also about creativity and design and art and much more. This is a 3D room. They showed the raw version of the 3D rooms. Crystal ball. Take a look into the crystal ball. Want to connect, leave a follow. I tried the sign in button, but there is not designed now. This is just a sample. Now I have close the link. Here it is. But we was with the website we was done. Now let's check the points on my checklist. Do we have Seifu, Audit and KYC badges from Pinksale? As you see, yes, we have them all. The next point is, I first confirm this point. The next point is Telegram. Have we a Telegram group with more than 4,000 members? I have opened it already because the registration was a little tricky. Now it works and the group has 6,426 members. So yes, we can confirm this point. Oh. Confirmed. Team faces we have not, as we saw on the website. There was no team faces. White paper, I found a white paper in the Telegram group. When there's always a window. Now I can see this, but when you go in the Telegram group, you will see a window where you can click on the link to the whitelist. I have opened it already. Not to the whitelist, to the white paper. I mean, I have opened the link already before, and here it is. You can find it under docs.o. I think this is an O. Docs O5O XYZ. Okay, so we can confirm the white paper. No locking time. Let's check if we have locking time on pink sale. Yes, we have locking time. So we can not confirm this point. Web3 application we also don't have, as we saw on the website. We have a really cool website. This is an amazing design, but Web3 application was not there, so we cannot confirm this point. High quality trailer, yes, there are many high quality trailers. They put a lot of money and work in this website. Let's check the last point, soft cap reached or not already. As we see, they reached the soft cap already and have more than that. They have 245 BNB already received, and the soft cap was 100 BNB. And we have still 11 hours left for the pre-sale, before the pre-sale ends. Sorry. Okay, yes, this was all the important information. Here you see the website again. This really cool animations, really cool trailer. I definitely would invest in this pre-sale, but this is just my opinion. I'm not financial advisor. This is not financial advice. This is just for entertainment use. It's up to you what you want to do. But what you guys think of this coin? Let me know your thoughts down below in the comment section. What you guys think about this whole project in general? What do you guys think is gonna happen? Let me know in the comments and I will give my best to get back to you. Thanks so much for watching today's video. I'm Cryptomania and I hope to see you guys all in my next video.